Good morning to everybody. The theme of our lesson today is Houston, we've had a problem here. I'd like you to open your student books at the 48th page, and first of all, rewrite new words in your vocabularies. Let's repeat them all together.
Adapter. Adapter. Against the odds. Against the odds. Amazingly. Amazingly. Bang. Bang. Breathe out. Breathe out. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carry out. Carry out. Catastrophe. Catastrophe. Circuit. Circuit. Clear. Clear. Command module. Command module. Conserve. Conserve. Cope. Cope with. Cope. Cope with. Crew. Crew. Damaged. Damaged. Deal with. Deal with. Depend. Depend on. Doomed. Doomed. Electricity supply. Electricity supply.
Enclosed space. Enclosed space.
Equipment. Equipment. Explode. Explode. Face. Face. Find out. Find out. Flash. Flash. Furiously. Furiously.
Go down in history. Go down in history.
Go wrong. Go wrong. Highly trained. In charge of. In charge of. Land. Land. Landing. Landing. Leak. Leak. Lifeboat. Lifeboat. Liftoff. Liftoff. Lookout. Lookout. Lunar module. Lunar module. Manned mission. Manned mission. Meteor. Meteor. Mission. Nightmare. Nightmare. Obstacle. Obstacle.
Oscar winning. Oscar winning.
Oxygen. Oxygen. Oxygen tank. Oxygen tank. Plot. Plot. Power supply. Power supply. Proof. Proof. Put together. Put together. Re-enter. Re-enter. Reduce. Reduce. Routine check. Routine check. Run out of. Run out of. Safe level. Safe level. Schedule. Schedule. Spaceflight. Spaceflight. Spacecraft. Spacecraft. Splashdown. Splashdown. Superstitious. Superstitious. Survival. Survival. There is no time to lose. There is no time to lose. To everyone's relief. To everyone's relief. Trail. Trail.
Transfer. Transfer. Warning light. Warning light.
As you can see, there are 65 new words for you. Some of these words you know, but some of these words you do not know. That's why you have to rewrite these words which are new for you in your notebooks or vocabularies with the translation and learn them by heart. Ребят, слов очень много, поэтому можно выписать именно те слова, которые для вас являются новыми, так как с некоторыми из этих слов вы уже знакомы. И, конечно же, выучить новые слова, переписав их в словарик или в тетрадку. Let's watch the video to the text.
Houston, we've had a problem here. 200,000 miles from Earth, the crew of the third manned mission to the moon faced an astronaut's worst nightmare, an explosion on the spacecraft. It's the plot of the Oscar-winning film Apollo 13, but it's also a true story of survival against the odds. 2 days into the mission, the three-man crew faced catastrophe. They had been carrying out routine checks when there was a loud bang. Warning lights were starting to flash furiously. Looking out into space, they could see a trail of gas. The spacecraft was leaking oxygen. They sent out a short message to the scientists back on Earth. Houston, we've had a problem here. They found out that a short circuit had caused an oxygen tank to explode. Their electricity supply in the command module depended on that oxygen, and pretty soon they would run out of both. The only solution was to conserve oxygen by moving from the command module into the lunar module, which would act as a kind of lifeboat. With its own power supply, oxygen and water, the three men could survive in the lunar module and return to Earth. There was another problem though. In an enclosed space like a lunar module, the carbon dioxide the crew was breathing out was dangerous. The equipment to clear the air of carbon dioxide was only built for 2 people. Now it had to cope with 3. Amazingly, the crew managed to put together an adapter that reduced the carbon dioxide to a safe level. There was one final obstacle. The lunar module wasn't strong enough to re-enter Earth's atmosphere, so the crew had to transfer back into the damaged command module. To everyone's relief, the crew of Apollo 13 splashed down safely in the South Pacific Ocean on April the 17th. It was a space flight that would go down in history. Although the crew didn't land on the moon, NASA still considers the mission a success. The Apollo 13 disaster was proof that their highly trained astronauts could deal with anything that could go wrong.
I'd like you to read this text yourself, page number 48 and 49, and then do the third exercise in written form in your notebooks. Прочтите этот текст самостоятельно, после того, как просмотрели видео. А затем выполните упражнение 3 самостоятельно в тетрадке. Read the text and the questions below. For each question, choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Каждому вопросу вы подбираете верный ответ. Then take off your notebooks. Take photo of your notebooks, and send me. Затем фотографируйте свои тетрадки, присылайте мне. Thank you for the lesson. The lesson is over. Goodbye.